guys, I've got a chance there. I got another package. I got another package. It's so we've got a package here. Obviously, you're not allowed to see the address and all that. So I'm going to open this up. I believe it is what I think it is. Well, I've got a package. It doesn't come through the door now. Just want to see what it is. Is it what I think it is? Yeah, it's what I think it is. I know it is. It is. Yeah. It is Lego Cyborg. I don't know if it's... Yeah, it's Lego Cyborg. Yeah, this proper Lego this time. Right, I really don't get what these things are. These things. Just gonna build this now. I hate these little wrist arm things. One sec, guys. I'm freaking terrible at this. Let's build a gun a minute. I can't build nothing. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, because I can't build nothing. Guys built it, and it can have it on two heads. Now that head, the angry one, or now we get a cyborg, because you can't get these things off. Look, you can't get his helmet off. It just takes the head off. Right, that's cyborg with the other face, the happy face. No. I wanted to show you guys this in a minute. Play GTA 5 in a minute. So, it comes with a little stand, but I don't like that snow. Scott! Cyborg. Ready? Just ignore them. Oh, please, just ignore them. So we've got cyborg. Where are we gonna put it? Where is it? So yeah, I'm just gonna pause this until they stop arguing. They stop after 10 seconds. Ready? See my custom character? I use that thing that comes to cyborg. Can it go the other way? Or can it only go that way? No, I don't get it. Is it? Right, that's my custom guy. Please leave a like for this character because he's homeless. Is he homeless? He's Lego. Wait, no, he's not homeless because he lives with me. If you saw me yesterday, I did this video on. Well, before you say, I do have a if anyone wants it in the comments. If anyone has in the comments they want this, they can have it. I don't really need it too much. It's wait 1 second. Yes, and I do have Possessed Lloyd. So that's Possessed Lloyd. So that's Possessed Lloyd, as you see there. I can't say words, mate. Sadly, you're gonna have to leave a like for this because Superman's kid. And I got Moro's hairpiece too. Yes, I know it's actually green. I got black first. Do you have another video if you did, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah.
I need some leggings for Wednesday as well. Yeah, well, them ones. Well, yeah, right.
I've got
my eyelashes, but can you get me some, like, try and get them so they're pointed?
I've got a
and try and get, like,
Lloyd, but
not
it's
like
a younger
bright
version of him.
just some, like, nice neutral colour.
I'll just ignore that, please. Got Lloyd when he was a little baby. Well, when he was little. I think that's Lloyd anyway. It comes with a little stick. I got this in a set. I think I got it with I think I got it for the Lego Ninjago Season 1 17. Yeah, because it come with because it come with Zane from Season 1. And it come with Jay, but I swapped it. It come with Jay. I think it just come with Jay. It come with Jay, Cole, this Zane, this, and that Zane come with 2 shurikens, but sort of. How about we turn this video into right, we're gonna turn this video into showing my Lego people, yeah? So actually no, I'll just keep it so good. Bye!